Chocotub is getting really pricey. I decided to make one of my own on the budget. Here's how. All you need is 2 ingredients, chocolate and chocolate crunch. All you need to do is get that clean bowl ready. Pour the chocolate pellet. I love this to be sweet and bitter. Dark compound chocolate, nothing fancy. Get it to around 60 grams. That's the approximate weight for the normal Choco Tub. Once you are ready, you put in the water into the pot. Heat it up until it starts to boil. For all you do not know what is this is called a bain-marie. A bain-marie is simply a double boiler. Make sure the chocolate is not contaminated with water, or else it starts to bloom and it starts to clump to each other. You'll get a very disgusting chocolate, by the way. Keep stirring until all of the chocolate starts to melt. Once the chocolate starts to melt, take it out from the pot. Get your cup ready. Plastic will do. You don't need anything fancy. Get your kitchen scissors. Cut that chocolate ball crunch. If you're afraid of using a scissors, just get a safety scissors, but I don't think that's necessary. Pour the chocolate crunch. Make it a little bit shaky. Make sure all of it is filled up to the top of the cup. Pour that liquid chocolate in. Stir it all very nice and easy. Make sure all of it is evenly coated. And there you go, a chocolate tub that's ready to serve. A chocolate snack doesn't have to be a luxury. If you really like this recipe, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and follow me on this channel. It'll be really great of a support.